Hey guys, it's Style by Sid. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been 10 years since I uploaded a video, but today I'm back with an updated version of my go-to makeup look. If you want to see how I get my skin bronze and dewy in the middle of winter, then keep on watching. So I already went in with Becca's Glow Elixir, and now I'm taking the Glamglow Waterburst Moisturizer and the Kiehl's Glow Formula just to ensure that my skin is nice and prepped before makeup application. I'm going to use Benefit's Gimmie Brow in 4.5 to tame my brows before going in with their Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 5. When it comes to my brows, I find it easiest to start off outlining the top half and then creating hair-like strokes throughout. This just makes them look a lot more effortless and natural instead of so aggressive and Instagrammy. You guys know what I mean by that. Anyways, I'm going to follow the arch of my eyebrow on the bottom half just to bring everything together. Now I'm just going to go in with this mini Anastasia brow gel, which I'm obsessed with. It's going to help make my brows look a lot more textured, more defined, and also hold everything in place. This step is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige just to clean up underneath my brows and make everything look a lot more precise. Moving on, I'm going to take Tacha's Silk Canvas Primer and concentrate that on the center of my face. This is where I have the most texture, and it's also where my makeup starts to separate first. Everyone and their mom has been talking about this primer, but if you were looking for something that will give you similar results, but a little bit more cost efficient, e.l.f. actually has a really good dupe that does the same thing. It just doesn't have as many skincare benefits. Now I'm just using my Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Topaz and blending it into all the areas where I plan on highlighting. This is what's going to give you that faux glow from within look and also help intensify any powder highlighters that you put on afterwards. I'm mixing the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation with the Josie Maran drops for the ultimate full coverage dewy base. This is my favorite foundation combo ever. If I was getting married tomorrow, I'd probably end up wearing this. So I'm using Fenty's concealer in 345. First of all, shout out to Fenty for this amazing ass shade range because I've never been able to find such a rich shade of olive in a concealer. I love the consistency and I feel like it does a really good job of brightening underneath my eye. The only thing is that it creases like crazy on me. It drives me insane. Then again, I don't really set underneath my eye that much, but I don't have this problem with my Born This Way concealer. So as of lately, I've just been mixing the two together to get the best of both worlds. I know I'm looking mad yellow right now, but I'm going to fix that with Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. This color is about 2 shades darker than my actual skin tone, so it's going to add warmth instead of definition, if that makes sense. To set that in place, I like using this big fluffy Sephora powder brush just so that I still look nice and sun-kissed, but I don't look overly sculpted. And the bronzer that I'm using to achieve this is in volume 1 of the Saharan blush palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to use the Fenty powder to clean everything up before jumping back into the palette for blush. This was one of my many impulsive buys during Black Friday, but I'm so happy I ended up getting it. Just like their shadows, these blushes are really creamy, pigmented, and smooth. But what I really like about it is that once you blend it out, it looks really natural and kind of gives you like a flush look. I feel like a lot of brands make the mistake of making blushes too bold for deeper skin and not as wearable. So shout out to Juvia's Place. They kill it every single time. I'm taking one shade from this Morphe palette and putting it all over my lid. I'm not gonna lie, when I have my lashes done, my eyeshadow game is trash, but that's the great part about having lash extensions. They literally do all the work for you on your face. Back at it again with the Juvia's Place. This time I'm taking their loose highlighter and I'm applying it to all the high points of my face. Guys, can we just take a moment to appreciate this highlighter though? This looks bomb. I'm just taking my Marc Jacobs Dewy Skin Mist, and I don't have to say much about this product. You guys can see for yourselves. Look how dewy and glowy it makes my skin look. This is literally my favorite setting spray ever. Okay, so last but not least, I'm going to be lining my lips with the NYX Lip Liner in brown because I keep losing my MAC cork. And then I'm going to be taking the Power Kiss lipstick by MAC in the shade Impulsive. I'm going to layer that with the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline, and then taking a random beauty supply gloss for Intense Shine. So guys, this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my page. See you next time.